Hello, my name is Plamen. I am from pre-engineering and I want to present you the new app according to Freelancer, tracking of time and sharing of time informations between the freelancer and the customer, the client. After we start the app, we are able to create new project. For example, my first project. It can be ordered by some clients. And now it's necessary to create a unique ID. This ID is necessary for the communication between your app and the app of your client. So you will share the information about your already tracked hours through this key to the database, and the client can get the information through this key from the database, and this is the communication way how the time will be transferred. Then you can set some payment and some additional informations. Afterwards, we create our project. The app will check if this ID you said it's already existing. In case that it's not existing, the project will be done. From now you can start to count your time. You have two timers. The timer for the hours today and the total time. Each one day you start with the timer today by 0, and the total time will be just counted. There are some rules, but during you use the app you'll understand why they are done and so on. For example, you cannot spend more than 10 hours per day for a project and so on. Now you can manage your project. You can do some corrections, and also to see in the calendar on which day you done some hours. You can have export of this information, and also you can edit the time. Today, for example, you forgot to count something or you have to correct it. It's a 1 hour or 10 hours. So is it possible? Now, at the end of the day or week or month, however, you wish to inform your client about the hours. This you make by managing and send to the server. Now the app sends the hours, the total hours, to your customer, and now we see that we had 70 April on 5 o'clock we sent 10 hours. Some additional corrections you can do also here, for example, because it's possible that you done, for example, some travels and something like this, so you can put more hours. It's up to you, and send it again to the server. Now you see that your last sync it was 20 hours. Now we go to the next site, to the site of the client. Your client is using the same app, and he's navigating in the area watch. In this area he has also to create a project. Now I want to show you that it's necessary to send to your client your unique ID. So in this case I just copied it, but you can send it by WhatsApp, email, however. And now your client create his watching project. He put your ID, enter the name of the project, and maybe the name of the freelancer. And now he add the project. And now the client gets the information you sent already to the database. It means whenever you work, nobody is watching at this time on your timer. Nobody knows are you working at the moment or not. It depends on you how you manage this, how you maintains your regulation, your relations with the customer. But on each one day you have to transfer the time. So in this time or on this day, your client can see the hours. This helps you for the future when you set your bill to don't have some surprises from for the customer to hear from him that he wasn't informed about how many hours you work each day, week or month, and this help him to see the maybe to know what's for hour, how many hours, and of course how many dollars or euros the project already cost. So I wish you nice work with the app, and hope to get positive feedbacks from you. Thank you very much.